Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Evernote sync issues. If your notes are not syncing properly between your devices, don't worry. There are several simple steps you can take to resolve the problem. First, open the Evernote application and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the Settings menu to review your account options. From the left side, you'll find sections like Login and Security and Devices. These sections can help you review your account and make sure you're signed in correctly on your device. Next, close the Settings window and return to the Evernote home screen. Open one of your notes and make sure it loads correctly. If your notes appear normally, your account is connected and ready to sync when an internet connection is available. If you're still experiencing sync problems, check that your internet connection is stable. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of Evernote and that you're signed in with the correct account on all of your devices. Restarting the Evernote application can also help refresh the connection and resolve temporary sync issues. If necessary, sign out of your account and sign back in to establish a new sync session. Keeping Evernote updated and maintaining a stable internet connection are two of the most effective ways to prevent sync problems in the future. And that's how you can troubleshoot and fix common Evernote sync issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Evernote tutorials and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.